Welcome back to Beyond the Known, the channel where we explore the most mind-bending what-ifs in science and the universe. I'm your host, and today we're going to dive into a fascinating and rather chilling scenario. What if Earth's oceans were made of liquid nitrogen? Liquid nitrogen is a colorless, extremely cold liquid, typically found at temperatures of around 996 degrees Celsius. It's used in everything from cryogenics to food preservation. But what would happen if it replaced the life-sustaining water that covers 70% of our planet? First, let's imagine the immediate impact on Earth's temperature. Liquid nitrogen, being so cold, would instantly freeze anything it touches, including the air. The entire ocean would freeze solid, and Earth's atmosphere would rapidly condense into ice. This drastic temperature drop would make Earth uninhabitable to life as we know it. Everything from plants to animals would perish. Agriculture would become impossible, as crops cannot survive in such extreme cold, and the entire ecosystem would collapse. Human life would be unsustainable without the ability to access liquid water, and survival would become a race against the freezing temperatures. But could any form of life still exist? In theory, life might adapt, much like extremophiles on Earth that live in places like deep-sea vents or extreme environments like boiling hot springs. These hypothetical organisms might evolve to survive in liquid nitrogen, but they would be completely different from anything we've ever encountered, likely using entirely different biochemical processes to survive at such low temperatures. The lack of water would also affect Earth's geophysical balance, disrupting the planet's heat regulation. Without liquid water to moderate the climate and distribute heat, Earth would become a frozen wasteland. As the oceans turned to nitrogen ice, the planet's entire water cycle would collapse, leading to a planet that's far colder, darker, and far less hospitable to life. So, what have we learned from this thought experiment? Simply put, without water, Earth would be an icy, barren rock in space. The oceans, which are essential to maintaining life, climate, and ecosystems, play a vital role in keeping our planet warm and livable. If the oceans were made of liquid nitrogen, Earth's habitability would vanish, and life as we know it would be impossible. That's it for today's exploration. If you enjoyed this mind-bending scenario, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting what-if topics. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring the unknown with Beyond the Known.